In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable in-app chat sounds in Zangi. If you've ever missed a message because your phone stayed silent, this quick walkthrough will make sure Zangi plays the sounds you want, when you want them. We'll turn on chat sounds for regular messages, group chats, and calls, and I'll point out a few settings that help notifications trigger reliably. Start by opening the Zangi app on your phone. From the main screen, look for the settings area. Depending on your device, you might see a gear icon, or you may need to open the menu and then choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, select Notifications. This is where Zangi controls what you hear and how you're alerted. Inside Notifications, you'll see options related to sound. Look for toggles labeled something like Message or Chat Sounds, Group Chat Sounds, and Call Sounds. Turn on Message or Chat Sounds to hear a tone for one-on-one messages. Enable group chat sounds if you want a sound whenever someone posts in your group conversations. And if you want your phone to ring or play a tone for incoming calls through Zangi, make sure call sounds is turned on as well. When a switch is on, it usually changes color or position to indicate it's enabled. While you're here, you may also notice separate controls for vibration, banners, badges, or similar alert styles. These don't replace sounds, but they work alongside them. If you want to make sure notifications grab your attention, consider enabling vibration and visual alerts like banners or pop-ups. That way, even if your environment is noisy, you still get a clear cue that something came in. A few quick tips can help these settings work smoothly. First, double-check your phone's volume and silent mode. Your device's media or ringtone volume needs to be up for you to hear anything. If your phone has a Do Not Disturb mode, make sure it isn't blocking app notifications during the times you expect to receive alerts. Also, keep Zangi updated to the latest version to avoid bugs that might mute notifications. Changes you make in Zangi usually save automatically, so you can back out of the menu when you're done. To recap, open Zangi, go to Settings, choose Notifications, enable message or chat sounds, turn on group chat sounds, and switch on call sounds if you want ringing or tones for calls. Optionally, adjust vibration and banners so notifications trigger properly. That's it. Your in-app chat sounds are now set up and ready.